Welcome back. In an age where digital communication reigns supreme, the art of writing remains an indispensable skill for students. Far from being an archaic relic of the past, the ability to write effectively is crucial for academic success and beyond. This article explores why writing skills are essential for students, highlighting how they not only enhance academic performance, but also foster critical thinking, creativity, and effective communication skills imperative for thriving in the modern world. Writing. More than just words on a page. Writing is not just about stringing words together. It's a complex cognitive process that involves organizing thoughts, articulating ideas, and conveying messages clearly and persuasively. For students, developing writing skills is about honing these abilities, which are vital in almost every facet of life. The importance of writing skills for students' academic success. Proficiency in writing directly correlates with academic achievement. From essays to research papers, writing is a core component of the educational curriculum. Critical thinking. Writing encourages students to analyze and evaluate information critically, fostering higher-order thinking skills. Effective communication. Good writing skills enable students to communicate their ideas clearly and effectively, a crucial ability in both academic and professional contexts. Creativity and self-expression. Writing is a powerful tool for creativity and self-expression, allowing students to explore and articulate their thoughts and feelings. Professional preparedness. In the professional world, writing is a key skill, whether it's crafting emails, reports, proposals, or presentations. Enhanced learning. Writing helps in reinforcing learning by enabling students to articulate what they have understood and absorbed. Digital literacy. In today's digital world, writing skills are essential for effective online communication, from social media to blogs and beyond. Conclusion: writing as a keystone skill. As we navigate through the ever-evolving landscape of education and technology, the importance of writing skills remains constant. It is more than just a means of communication. It is a tool for learning, thinking, and engaging with the world. Encouraging and developing writing skills in students is not just about helping them succeed academically. It's about equipping them with a fundamental skill that will serve them throughout their lives. The power of writing lies in its ability to open doors to new ideas, opportunities, and avenues for expression. In essence, to write well is to think clearly and to pave the way for success in every endeavor. For more insights into the importance of writing skills and tips on how to enhance them, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Check out the description for resources on improving writing skills. Together, let's embrace the power of writing in shaping informed, articulate, and creative minds.